There are two brush caps that secure your tool's motor brushes. The brush caps thread into the brush holders to hold the brushes in place. Most problems with the brush caps occur when they are being removed or installed. If a cap is over-tightened, the slots for the screwdriver can be stripped or cracked. Over-tightening can also cause the entire brush cap to crack in half. It is easy to cross-thread the cap and damage its threads. Replacing the brush cap is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
The brush caps are located over the motor brushes. I'll use a screwdriver to remove the cap. Now I can install the new cap. I'll compress the brush spring back into the holder, place the cap over the spring, and screw it back into place. I want to be careful not to cross-thread it. I'll turn it backwards as if I were removing it until I hear the threads snap into place. And then I can tighten it. And I don't want to over-tighten it, or I can damage the slot or crack the cap itself. Now repeat this on the opposite side. And that's how simple it is to install new brush caps on your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.